gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Hamilton, Big City, Upatoy, Goat Rock Lake, Ellerslie, St. Mary's Hills, Edgewood, Flat Rock, Highland Park, Laurel Hills, Green Island Hills, Vista Terrace, Catawba, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Rose Hill, Midland, Kenwood, Mountain Hill, and Avondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667